Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Ivy's Kitchen. Today I am in Seattle. I told you I was going to take you on my food trip with me. So I had the fish and chips here at Doc's Marina Grill in Bainbridge. It's an island off of Seattle. So if you're interested in seeing my version of the fish and chips that I had, keep on watching.
For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net.
For the potatoes, you can go ahead and peel the potatoes if you want, or you can leave it as is. And you're going to cut your potatoes into wedges and strips so it looks like a French fry. You're going to soak your potatoes in water for about 24 hours or a few hours, just so the water can take out most of the starch. When you're ready to fry your potatoes, drain your potatoes and dry it on a paper towel. Heat up some oil. Once your oil comes to temperature, go ahead and drop your potatoes in. We're just going to fry these potatoes until your potatoes are slightly golden brown. Once it is golden brown, take your potatoes out and let your potatoes cool down. I like to leave my potatoes in the fridge and cool it down for about 30 minutes or so. Next, for our fish. Cut your fish into strips. You're going to season your fish with salt and pepper. Make sure to season both sides of the fish. For our dredging station, beat some eggs in a separate bowl, add your panko crumbs to another bowl, and your flour in another bowl. Don't forget to season your flour with salt and pepper. Dust your fish with the flour and make sure to tap off the excess flour. Dip it into your egg. The egg is going to act like a glue. Make sure you let the excess egg drip, and then you're going to coat it with the panko breadcrumbs. Remember to use one hand for dry and the other for wet. We want that extra crispy crust, so we're going to dip it back into the egg and then back again to the panko breadcrumbs. And we're going to repeat this step for the rest of the fish. Let this fish sit for about 20 minutes so the panko breadcrumbs can adhere to the fish. And once 20 minutes is over, we can start frying. Heat up some oil on a pan and place your fish on the pan. You want to cook your fish until it is golden brown and cooked through on all sides. Let your fish rest on a rack just like the one shown versus paper towels, because this will keep the fish crispy on both sides. Next, we are going to heat up our oil, bring it up to 375 degrees, and fry our potatoes until it gives you a nice gold, crispy, crunchy coating, and you'll have the perfect French fry. Drain off the oil from the fries and then place your fries in a bowl. Season your fries with salt and shake it in the bowl until the fries are coated with the salt. Squirt lemon juice on your fish and serve with tartar sauce. Sorry you guys again for the background noise. It's that fan. I can't turn it off, but you know what? We don't have time to wait for it to turn off. Let's taste this right now. Let's go for the chips. I love how it's crunchy on the outside and soft in the inside. It will definitely stay crunchy room temperature wise. And for the fish, dip it in some of the tartar sauce, which is store-bought. It's crunchy on the outside, very moist and tender. This really reminds me of Doc's Marina up in Brisbane, Seattle, where I had this dish. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe. If you do make this recipe, please hashtag Ivy's Kitchen or Ivy's Food on Instagram or Facebook, because I would love to see it from you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Thank you for watching Ivy's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe. For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. Until next time, happy cooking!